Hey guys, this is Carl from Lingo, and it's the time of the year again where it's 11/11 Singles Day. Now, Lazada has kindly sent us one of their surprise boxes which we will be unboxing here, and you can actually choose from two different types. They're selling one at $29 or 49 Singapore dollars. There are also a wide range of boxes that you can choose from about 70 different brands, and the items inside are worth at least 100 Singapore dollars. Now, some of the boxes include one or two different items, so links in the description below for more details. Now, let's go ahead and unbox our Marshall surprise box. Now, looking inside, there's no product box or label, just power wrap. We're guessing that this is actually the Marshall Major 2 Bluetooth headphones, and it was actually retailing for about 169 Singapore dollars when it first came out. The latest version may be Major 3, but this is definitely a steal if you're getting it at $49 for the Major 2 Bluetooth headphones. Taking a look on the right side, you can see that there's a power button as well as a headphone jack and a micro USB port for charging. Now, inside the box, it also includes a micro USB cable and a 3.5mm jack cable if you intend to connect to your phone or laptop directly. Now, we have given this a listen through a Bluetooth connection, and the sound quality is rather decent. Now, one of the cool features here on the left side is actually this control knob. Simply pressing it would actually help you to play or pause the track, but here is the fun part. You can actually move it up or down to actually control the volume, or left or right if you want to skip to the next track or actually go to the previous track. Now, remember that these surprise boxes will be sold this year on 11/11, and you can choose between a $29 box or a $49 box, and there are 70 different brands that you can choose from, so definitely a wide range of choices. Now, the items inside are worth at least $100, so be sure to check out the links in the description below for more details. Thanks for watching our short unboxing of the 2018 Marshall surprise box from Lazada. This is Kyle signing off.